When I think about queer flowers, I think about flowers that contain multitudes. I think about flowers that perhaps reproduce differently than others. I think about flowers that contain femme and masc parts, things that remind me of my queer community and how we exist in the world and how we thrive oftentimes in places that were not made for us. And not just thrive, but create beauty and joy in those spaces too.
Flowers were chosen for this bed based on history they represent within the queer community and the relevance to contemporary queerness.
So, pansy is a term that is used to refer to gay men. And oftentimes, although it can be considered to have a derogatory connotation to it, it also can be used to have high praise. And pansies remind us that there's value in the ornamental, in the aesthetic, in the beauty, in the boldness of being that kind of flower.
Green carnations were popularized by Oscar Wilde and served to represent homosexuality. Flowers allowed gay people to find one another in the face of silencing and erasure. Influenced by the poetry of Sappho, violets and other purple flowers were used by lesbians as a way to show affection to one another.
Like violets, lavender is another purple flower that has oftentimes been used to symbolize the queer community. Lavender is a healing plant and is a beautiful symbol of resistance in our community. Roses are frequently associated with Trans Day of Remembrance, which is an annual event where we remember trans women of color who have been killed.
This flower bed is special to me because it makes me feel like who I am is valued and important, and it ensures that people from all identities feel like they have a place here and they have a place in agriculture.
This flower bed is important to me because flowers, like all of our more than human kin, remind us that there are so many gorgeous ways to exist in nature. And they remind us of the beautiful diversity that exists within all beings and give us models of what it's like to be in queer community.